Welcome back to Storytime with Thisbe. Today we have a Paw Patrol book called Honk-a-Doodle-Woof. Zuma hears dolphins. They whistle and click. You ever heard of dolphins' noises? That is sort of what they sound like, isn't it? Cock-a-doodle-doo, Rooster says to his chick. The geese cross the street, honk, honk, honking a song. Woof, woof, say the pups. Can you woof along? Let's hear your woofs. Woof, woof. There we go. Rough, rough riddle. Why do cows wear bells? Because their horns don't work. I've told that joke on Daily Jokes with Thisbe. Thank you for joining me, everybody. We'll see you next time.